If you've deleted a video or photo from your TikTok profile and now regret it, don't worry. You have 30 days to restore it from the date of deletion. Let me show you how. Open your profile page. I previously deleted a video and a photo from my profile. Now I'll restore them. When you restore, the total number of views and likes is also returned. Now click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Activity Center. On this screen, you'll see details of your activities on TikTok. We need the Recently Deleted option, so click on it. Here you'll find videos and photos that can be restored to your profile. Open the video or photo. Then click on the Restore button. Click on Restore again. Repeat the process for any posts you want to restore to your profile. Let's go back. Refresh the page and your restored photos and videos will be back on your profile. Like the video if it helped you. Subscribe to our channel for more similar tutorials.